In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble a campmate twin-size raised air mattress. In the box, you will find the external pump, the carry bag, manual, airbed, and repair patch. Unfold the mattress on a clean surface floor. Plug the external pump to your nearest outlet and choose the right nozzle to inflate the airbed. Open the valve and insert the external pump. Turn the on button on the external pump and begin inflating. When the bed is completely inflated, turn the off button on the external pump and close the valve as shown. Unplug the pump from the external outlet and store it in a safe place. Thank you for watching this how-to video. For more information on this product, click on the link below.